Hello, I am Mariowit, welcome on my channel, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change avatar on Discord. So first now we must log in. Okay, and when we did it, next step is click on the wait is click on the this user settings, and now click on the edit user profile here, and now as you can see you have here avatar, change avatar, or you may click this, change avatar. Okay, and now you may change, select image. Okay, for example this. Okay, Mr. Yoda fight with dogs. So nice picture. I like it. I think it's cool. We must refresh. That will be working. Okay, so what's the problem? Thanks for watching. Okay, never mind. Okay, now it's okay. GIF doesn't work. But yeah. Okay, and it's working. I changed it. So save changes. And thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in other videos. As you can see, it's okay. Bye.